Selecting the best airsoft sniper rifle can be quite a task because of the many options in the market, all of them claiming to be the perfect one. So it's important to know what you want in the first place in terms of barrel length, materials, accessories, accessory rails, and ammunition. To guide you through the selection process, we checked out some of the most popular airsoft rifles on the market and reviewed each one of them. In the end, we've compiled a short list of the 5 best airsoft snipers. If you want to find the best prices and more information on the products mentioned in our video, you can click the link in the description below. Now join us as we introduce and review each one of them. Here we go. Our number 1 choice is the CYMA ZM51 Airsoft Sniper Rifle. It's ideal for beginners who want a reliable and efficient rifle when mastering the airsoft basics. With an illuminated scope and bipod that comes with the package, this is something that'll definitely help you advance to the next level. As a starter gun, it provides an amazing bolt action and ideal barrel length that suits beginners. It's constructed with quality polymer materials and features a full metal single-piece outer barrel. These two elements bring a lightweight and sturdy sniper rifle that feels just like the real thing. It's also spring-powered, which basically means you'll not have to worry about charging the battery or having enough gas during a battle, and it works in all weather conditions. The specially designed metal bolt has short bolt pull, which allows the player to fire it smoothly and make faster follow-up shots. The extremely long barrel guarantees excellent power and precision. This skirmish-ready rifle comes with a 20mm Weaver rail on the bolt top section, letting you attach an optic accessory. It also offers a phenomenal capacity to shoot more than 400 feet per second. It also has an integrated front and rear sling mount for easy carrying and transport, keeping you in action on the battlefield for much longer. For all of these advantages, the CYMA ZM51 sniper rifle is a smart choice. At number 2 is the Well MB13 Airsoft Sniper Rifle. It comes with a bipod and zoom scope that offers 3 to 9 times of magnification. The variable zoom scope lets you see the target easily at a distance. It also has the advantage when scouting out opponents on the battleground. The accompanying full metal bipod has a quick release and extendable legs that easily fold away for portability and ease of storage. The IRS, or rail interface system, on the bottom area of the body allows for easy mounting, while the durable rubber stand and position lock feature ensures stability while firing. This formidable weapon features a full-length barrel with a flash hider. Its flute-like design significantly reduces the overall weight, balancing the gun and the stock weights. The spring-operated bolt pulls back smoothly and locks into place securely prior to every shot. With all of the amazing components, this sniper rifle is a real deal-breaker on the playing field. It shoots hard, has great range, and offers pinpoint accuracy. It's basically a heavyweight, extremely dependable, with a 12-round magazine feature with a shooting capacity of 480 feet per second with .20 BBs. This product comes with a 30-day return and warranty if you're not satisfied with its performance. What do you have to say about the first 2 featured sniper rifles? If you've used any of these products, let us know in the comments section and share your experiences. Please don't forget to tap the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming lists. Before we head on with our list, click the subscribe button because we have a lot in store for you in the future. And now back to our list of the 5 best airsoft sniper rifles. At number 3 is the Well MB08 bolt-action airsoft sniper rifle with scope and bipod. It comes in a nice color of tan and is made even better with its modifying the features of the L96. It has a folding stock that's constructed specifically to ensure hassle-free transportation and storage. The comfortable design with adjustable hop-up ensures durability and prolonged usability. The included optic scope sits on the 20mm Picatinny rail, providing a precise and clear sight of the target. The adjustable cheek rest and heavy-duty monopod at the stock base guarantee optimum comfort and stability while in a stationary position. It has a fire rate of 450 feet per second thanks to the easy pullback spring power bolt. Moreover, the ergonomic grip and fully customizable stock make it easier to hit your targets. Level up your game with this amazing rifle that shoots .20 BBs. The sleek design of this one-piece, full-metal barrel pinpoint gives accuracy and incredible shooting capacity that will make your opponents think twice before they make a move. It has a realistic weight and balance, which are great elements during airsoft training exercises or battleground games. With all the detail work and scale that is done, it gives you the feeling of holding the real thing in your hands, just like a true sniper. At number 4 is the JG Bar 10 bolt-action airsoft sniper rifle. This is one of the ideal options when you're looking for a great sniping gun in terms of cost and quality. It's made of durable yet lightweight polymer material with a smooth black finish that gives it a realistic appearance. This bolt-action rifle has a pre-attached rear sight with 3 to 9 time magnification, letting you lock on the targets and gaining a sniping range with precision. If you want to use an illuminated scope, you can remove the rear sight and attach the included 20mm rail mount to accommodate your preferred scope. The all-metal inner and outer barrel features a low-friction bolt action, giving you cutting-edge advantage over your opponents, easily winning your game. It has a 30-round magazine and muzzle velocity capability to shoot up to 470 feet per second. The adjustable hop-up system and 42-inch length guarantee accurate and long shots. The 30-round magazine allows you to sustain the sniper position, enhancing your gaming experience. For ease of transport and storage, there are integrated front and rear sling mounts. With just over 6 pounds in overall weight, the movement is not a hassle or impedance on the battleground. It has a sturdy rear stock that ensures comfortability, while the smooth and fast bolt action help you shoot with confidence. The high performance of the JG Bar 10 is great support during aerial coverage, giving you a versatile opportunity to improve your sniper training to its highest potential. Are you excited about having your own airsoft sniper rifle? Of course, you can purchase it now by clicking on one of the links. We still have one great product to review, which might be the one you're looking for. So let's take a look. Our last product at number 5 is the P2912A Spring Sniper Rifle with scope and bipod. It's user and budget-friendly weapon for airsoft enthusiasts who want to dominate in the arena. This sniper gun is a great option for backyard shooting, practice, or a movie prop. It has excellent components that marksmen, amateur shooters, and trained personnel look for in a reliable gaming gun. The bolt-action single-shot sniper gun has a lightweight ABS body that makes maneuverability easy in the battleground. The included mock scope has a built-in low-power laser dot pointer, providing accurate shots with superior speeds of up to 250 feet per second. The Picatinny top rail allows the scope to be mounted perfectly. It comes with a removable magazine that uses .12 BBs. This gun has features that replicate the overall feel and function of a real sniper rifle. It's constructed with a cast industrial-grade composite plastic material that fully supports the trigger mechanism, bolt, and barrel. Despite the composite structure, the robust spring mechanism, adjustable hop-up system, and heavy-duty safety lever allow this gaming gun to produce conventional propulsion methods to fire the pellets. The ergonomic design makes reloading swift and fast, while also providing a cheek resting platform and secondary bar support. It's backed up with a 14-day warranty and a 14-day return guarantee. Well, that concludes our review of the best airsoft sniper guns. We hope we helped you find the one you're looking for and will give you the best experience in the battleground. Winning begins with the right gaming weapon in your hand, especially if you're the sniper. If you're ready to make a purchase, click on the link in the description box to get that rifle at its best value. Let us know if there's a product or item that you want us to review next. Leave your comments and suggestions in the comment box, and our research team will get to work to give you a fair and square review. While you write your comments, remember to tap that bell icon so you can get notifications with our latest videos. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews like this one and to join our community. That's it for the 5 best airsoft snipers.